Hey, McKenna. What you doing? It's a snow day. We have no water, we have no electricity, but we have lots of books. Yeah? You gonna take that to Daddy to read? Oh, look, it's the alphabet. A, B, C, D, E, F, G, H, I, J, K, L, M, N, O, P, Q, R, S, T, U, V, W, X, Y, and Z. Now I know my ABCs. Won't you give a hug to me? Can I have a hug? No, rejected. This is the view out our front door. There's our refrigerator out there, covered up with some milk. Nice view though in our winter lounge. There's my servant. I'm about to read my baby a book. Okay, you can say bye-bye?
Bye.
No?
Bye-bye.
Read me a book. Bye-bye. Bye-bye.